Okay, guys, hold on. Uh-huh. Checking something quickly. Okay, everything is running now. So that's good. Voilà. Today I modified a lot of things. I added to the character extra field and ID. That ID we're going to use for when we're going to deploy for the Soul team. Sorry. Quickly take a look. Faction manager. So the faction manager, I added a new function, new war. So that is basically resetting everything. So it's cleaning out the list, the deploy list. It sets the IDs back to 0, and it's deactivating and deactivating the deployment. So that is what I did on the faction. Then on character scripts here on the character. On the character, I added an extra ID. Then yeah, we have this list, but I'm not using this list anymore. I'm using hold on, I also put it on the faction. I'm now using here we go, this guy. So I'm using a dictionary. So basically what I'm doing is I'm taking, hold on, I'm taking this ID and I'm using it when I'm deploying the Soul team. So here we have it's shows show the info. So that's the left panel with the image of the soldier and then the buy buttons, and it shows the AT. That's the left, the right panel with all those soul teams. So then we go, like if it's a infantry, show only the guards level and so on. So then here I put, so when you say like you click on deploy, the check the toggle box deploy, then it's automatically set that the Soul team is deployed. So we're gonna quickly, and then I got the function here. So okay, it's there also, but this line, this line is basically the controlling or the calling the function behind the check mark box, and then when the check mark is true, so when we have the V on the screen, then we're going to use the active function that is over here, and when it's set to nothing, so there's no check mark or it's disabled, then we're going to use the inactive, so that's inactive. So when we're activating, I print error message with the tag and the viewer ID, because I'm using yeah, a viewer ID. So the moment you select a soldier in the middle list, it sets the viewer ID, and then yeah, that's it. That's that we don't have double entries and stuff like that. So then we say the assault team is deployed. Yes, we add the owner. Yeah, it's not add, but it's we added the owner ID and we put it on the deploy ID. So that's that unique ID we gave him of the character. Then we activating it, but this guy needs to be above here. Why? Because we're adding it, and if we do it like this, then it's not visible in the, so this guy just need to go there. And this, voila, that was only, I just saw that. So basically because we're using the AT and we're going to add the AT to the deploy list. That's what we're going to do. And then when we're clicking on the show button, then it's going to give us the, we're going to check this in action. I'm going to save this first, then go minimize this. Then this is the same. I only have like here the new war button. So we're going to hit play. Oh yeah, hold on a sec. I want to show something. Character manager. So I still got my first run enabled, so I can now start expanding it with soul teams on it. So now it will work. So now I can do just the same like I'm doing now on here. So you have the character count. So that is that unique ID creator, let me say. So I'm gonna reduce it a little bit. Yeah, take 2 generals, 1 pilot, 2 tankers, 2 recons, and 2 infantry. Yeah, I'll take 2 paras and everything too. Voila, that is our start amount of characters we have at the moment. Okay. Or maybe, hold on a second. That was done on character manager. Hold on, I'm going to open the character manager. I'm going to character manager, that's where I'll do the first time run. So let me quickly see where is my first time run. First time run is here. Yeah. Let me quickly check what I'm doing. I got first time run. Okay. Yes. Hold on. Okay. Then, hold on. I need to go up. In the create section, ID. Do I still need the ID? No, I don't need the ID. Hold on. No, I'm not going to do it now. I will brainstorm about it a little bit. Okay. Controller. No. Controller active. We're gonna hit play. Voila. We're going to go to the factions. We got 13 guys. Oh yeah, I got 3 generals. Okay. 13 guys. We got no assault teams. This is not working, so then our character panel. Well, more 3 generals. Because there's no naming, I can rename this. Hold on, F. This is F, and this is general. This we're gonna rename also FD. Oh, it's not updating it, so I need to check that. But yeah, that's no problem. So this is general, this is F, and this is FD. Okay, we're going to go to the, and then for the Germans we only have 1, and for the Soviets we also have only 1. We go to the assault team, so we can go Soviet, Germany, and then we have the US with our 3 generals. Okay, so now we're gonna take this guy. We're going to buy with war funds a guard unit. On this guy I'm gonna buy an airplane with gold, and on that guy I'm gonna buy a tank with war funds. I'm going to check my stats. I got 1 guard, 1 light armor, and 1 recon. That's correct. Okay. Until now it's doing what it needs to do. Okay, we go back to our assault teams. We go show US, just click just to be sure that it's updating. Now you see you have the check boxes, the toggle boxes. So take the bottom one, general. Yeah, take general. General we're gonna give the light armor. You see the light armor, and the general, that guy got a unique ID of 13. So now you cannot hit the check mark box anymore. So now it's in the deploy list. We click on this guy, so you see this stays the same. This is the overall faction equipment assault teams. So now I'm going to do show. So that guy doesn't have anything. Then this guy, that guy doesn't have anything. Now our general, voila. Now you can disable it. So you can say like oh no, I don't deploy them anymore now. Sometimes it happens, you don't deploy during the war, so you just disable this back, and then he is back visible in the listing. So now you see, now everybody can add it to the list. So that's basically what we're doing. We have the guys that is buying the assault teams. Voila, now everybody buys some. Now we got a new war, new war, click. Then we're going to start deploying. Take like that, Oh, for some reason, hold on. Oh yeah, he done it. Did he do it correctly? No, he doesn't do it correctly. That's because I'm not refreshing the page. Yeah, okay, that's because I'm not refreshing the page. Okay, so this guy. So we have now two guys that they got. That doesn't do anything. That doesn't do anything. You can only rename. Okay. Now he got nothing deployed. Huh? This guy? He got that guy deployed. Okay. He got nothing deployed, and he got nothing deployed. So we're losing one unit at the moment. So when we click on them, we have two. That is. So now it needs to refresh, because now it's only doing it on this element, not. So now it need to do this. Click, and then. Okay, so this guy now got that guy selected. This guy got nothing, and this guy only got one because the other one was messed up. Okay, so now we're gonna give that the light armor. Click back on him. So okay, now everybody got like something in the deploy list. You can just put it back, then it comes back visible. Then we're gonna give this guy this, for example, show. Voila. Now, so now I'm going to go back, show US. Now I click on this guy, and now the war is over. We say like new war, show US. Voila. So basically I need to insert yeah, I just need to reload this page to, or I can go back to show US. Depends on, I can go a step back so that it's updating this guy, which basically then showing this panel and that panel, or I can go another step up saying show one of these, and then it will do like this. So that's just, yeah, rather see it updating this only, that this stays the same. So yeah, that it's basically a simple thing to do. But yeah, I think that is basically the workflow we're going to keep continuing using. And yeah, so now we can start over. So now I can say like this guy, that guy. Ah yeah, you see, after this click I need to refresh. So after that click I need to refresh, and that after that click is no, hold on, oh yeah, now I'm show AT, show soldiers. Which one am I going to, when I do this I can, yeah, this guy I need. Oop, not cutting. We need to copy this. We're going to copy this. Now we're going to go to the button. This is the button. So hold on. I can go do it here. I can do it here. I can put it. Hold on. I'm going to put it here. I'm gonna put it here. Up. And then it was. This I need. Copy. Oh yeah, I need to have the bool. I need to have the bool. I need to have the bool. So it's basically okay. So we need to have voila. That normally need to update it, so that we're going to do the same. Voila. Save it. What was the other issue? Oh yeah, okay, yeah. That will normally solve. Hold on. Okay, here we go again. Play soul teams. You gonna buy this guy, buy that guy. Oh yeah, it doesn't matter. Just buy some units. Oh, one more. One more. Now we have 6 and 3. So okay. So you are going to deploy guard 1, you gonna deploy guard 3, and you gonna deploy the 5th one. So now you see, normally if I'm correct, it's updating it. So if I'm going up, that guy has that. He has the 1, 3, and 5. Voila, that's correct. Can I now double click? Oh, this was, oh yeah. What did we do now that it does it again? Where I click on that guy, and now he doesn't do this because we put him active, and he doesn't do this. Because I don't need to clean out the panels, because the cleaning out of the panel is done in this function. I'm just recalling the function. Hold on. So I came from, hold on, new war. Oh yeah, so that is something I need to do also. So when it's a new war, I need to reset it. Hold on. Quickly checking where I put my new war button. AD manager. No, new war is over here. No, new war is not over here. Faction new war is over here. Where did I put that new war? Faction manager. Oh yeah, faction manager. Then on the guy I put this. I then need to basically then I need to yeah, but then hold on, I'm thinking. So when we say active, if I now just do this and I also put it yeah, I see it. No, because it's same as loading this, so no, I'm gonna just put it over there. Hold on, here we go. Play, clean out all the, because we got a double entry, so because characters, assault teams, US, to, oh, trying to do a little bit the same steps now. Okay, click on that guy, give him this, click on that guy, give him this, click on that guy, give him this, some shivering. Okay, so click on this guy. Now he starts to have the flu or something. He's shaking. Okay. There's a shakiness in it. That's crazy. So when you are clicking, and then all of a sudden but that I can do. So click on that guy again. And now he does it. And now he doesn't. That's crazy. On which one does he deploy it? And he didn't add it to the list. Hold on. Click. No. Okay, nothing. You see, he's shaking. But why does he do this? $25, $25. Now we got a problem on this guy. Why? That's why. So do that out of there. Save it. And what is the other value? 45, 44, 47. So yeah, that's because we set it active, huh? So we're doing this, we're going active. And 70. So, and this guy also. So he is complaining on the refreshing. So he is complaining on the refreshing. Yeah, but I need to do it on a click of the button. I need to do it on the click of the button. Oh yeah, that's when you program and keep it active, then to the moment. Yeah, that I need to go over, because yeah, it is doing all better than it did before, but you see it's not stable. It's not stable. Right? Buttons, 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 buttons. Where are my buttons? So deploy. That I need to do, maybe show a T. Because I need to run this function. And I put it directly on the button. That's true. But I can do this, but not like it is now. Do I have that button configured over here? Modified panel, image holder. I need to have which guy? Not the image holder, AT holder. So that's new. Oh, it's buttons, so no, that I don't have in it. Nope, I don't have in it. That I need to do then. So when you click on new or yeah, show US is this guy. So that is assault team manager US. Yeah, but then it's only yeah, for this purpose maybe I can use it. Hold on. Just for this purpose I can use it. What was it? Assault team manager. Yeah, process show AT. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I always need to be sure. Show AT caps US play. But then we need to put it. Oh yeah. Well, I am thinking so to put it when we click show UI, that when you say new war, it will automatically refresh this panel. New war, everything is back to normal. We keep our assault teams. I'm gonna buy some more now. Buy some more. show US. Click on them. Voila, then it does it correct. And if I now directly select another one, what does it do? No, it doesn't do what it needs to do. And now it doesn't also give me the deploylist of the other one. He doesn't give it. But why? There had to be one in the lists normally, but now he doesn't do it. Is it because it's the same guard unit? No, it has nothing to do with the guard unit. Okay, what? And for some reason, he does something crazy on. We got one deployed. Nothing. Nothing. Why does he do this? That shaking thing. You see, when sometimes when he shakes. I know there is some code that wants to display the yep, and I'm thinking that is causing the problem. There's some code that is so that is basically, I think, that checking. Show it, no, I don't need you. Show shoulders. No, not this one. Not this, I think. This is good. Okay, yeah. So I'm not doing it over here. Where did I do it? Did I do it? It's not active, so should amazing. Okay. does it do this? Yeah, where do I see it? Going over it again, but hold on, is it because and this is a bisection of this we don't need, huh? It's only that section we need this. Because this is saying activated or deactivated. And we only got it here, so oh yeah, oh yeah. No, no. I need to refresh it, and that's not needed to do. Need to fix this, huh? This needs to be C, and the other one needs to be TTT will be AT. Yep. Copy this once again. Put it also on the active button. Save it. Why does he do it? So this is what I'm doing, eh? So it's showing the US faction, then I do this. Oh yeah, but that is no, that's not possible. That I need to do this guy again over. No, show IT is the other guy. It's not show IT that I need to. No, it's not show IT. Show IT is this window, if I'm not mistaken. This is show ID. Hold on. Mixing something up. It's not show ID. IT. Show AT, is that option? Yeah, show AT is no, it's not show AT. I'm gonna do something else. I'm going to go a level higher. I'm gonna go a level higher. Is test. Okay, so now we're going to see what it does. Maybe I need to put it here and directly here. Could be, because here is some that check thing, but it's not enabled. First but then you conquer the problem. But I'm going to see. That's not important now. So I need to know why he's doing that crazy thing. 2 o'clock already again. Assault teams the last time. Bye. That's just to see. click on that guy. We're gonna take that guy. Click here. No, it's not doing it. It's not doing it. But checking if that other thing is working. Consulting. Show. Buy only one. Show the deploy list. Yeah, okay. I need to have one more. Hold on. Need to have one more. Deploy. Check the deploy list. Yeah, okay. Deploy. But now it is not doing it again. Damn it. New or. Deploy. No. New or. Deploy. Click. Deploy. No. Why is he not? He is flipping over a step, because normally when I say like click that check mark, you need to update, and that is not what he's doing. So the second click I do, click, show, click, and he sits. I don't need the buttons for a moment. That's that guy. Okay, what does the toggle do at the moment? Is on. Is on. Show the list. The toggle button is on. Okay, if I now do this, okay, doesn't matter. Buy a new one. And that's a fresh one. And that is a fresh one. No, I need to check that part of the button why he's. But yeah, the buying and stuff, that is working. So the Soul Team section is basically back okay. Now we need to do that deployment part, and then on the character I need to modify some things. So that's basically also that refreshing of the pages in the header, and then the scrolling. The scrolling we also need to fix. That's stupid, huh? I'm gonna save this already. Oh yeah. For now. Quickly. Still one, huh? I did something, so now he only allows me one. Hmm. And now it shows me. Hold on a second. Hold on. I don't know. You see, now he doesn't do it. Now he doesn't do it because it's looking for the character ID. So now it's completely messed up. So that code I need to go over tomorrow. So this I need to go over tomorrow because this needs to be in there to verify if the if the user reselected this. I think maybe this needs to go, but yeah, it needs to go over here. Basically to not allow him to. Hold on, I'm going to do something else. Hold on. Toggle line comment and then cut this away. Put this in front of that. Voila. Put that in front of that. That. Delete this. This. Cut it. Paste it. Save it. Let's see what he does now. So it's really only to have on the, because now I normally this and this code was in here, so it was a eval statement. Maybe I need to put it back and work on that. More nervous. Here we go, lost time. This Soul Teams US by some pick the bottom guy. One. So it's not in that code, it seems to be in another. Seems to be in another part. One. And the other two not. So that is good. So we didn't added them. So then this, no, it's not correct. No, it's not correct. No, 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 no. Just clear the messages just to see what he does now. Oh yeah, that's true. You need to prevent it from upgrading, because when you're deployed you cannot be upgraded. That's true. So then yeah, that need to that button needs to be this order there. Okay. So then that is basically here. Show deploy. On click reset modify panel. Come about some button functionality. So this is basically just button functionality what I'm now disabling. But yeah, this is the only function I'm not using the ID yet, so I'm always passing through the ID, so maybe, but okay, we're going to leave it for today. Quickly going to go over it one more time. Info, show rank. Okay, that's good, that is working. Factions, show all the information of our soul teams and the characters, and maybe in the future a little bit more. Then the characters shows us the characters. We can modify the character, level them up, rank them up, rename them. Then these are not working, so then assault teams. We get this is the soldiers that have the command points. We can click on them. We can buy. But we cannot do a proper deployment. So this is working, and then the second one is not working anymore. So, and now it doesn't show me any of the deployed. So now we say one is deployed, but for some reason there is something wrong. Or we maybe put it on another guy and it's not showing. So, but I cannot directly see what is. This is just normally had deployed it, so it's rare that he doesn't load it. So I will check on that tomorrow. So closing everything. Thanks for watching. We're going to investigate and we will see what the result will be tomorrow. Okay, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.